Airsoft!
Right side, let's go.
Making my way downtown. Tower's hit. Far tower anyway. It ain't much, but it's honest work. I'm finally gonna get into the trenches. Oh boy. Oh, it's super low. I should have done the duck walk more. Oh, I'm not trying to be depressed, man. What the hell? Dude, I think they gave up. Airsoft!
Damn it. Whoa, dead man, dead man.
Made you flinch. You blue? Yeah, I'm blue.
You're dead.
Okay.
Excellent work. Holding down that ball, rescue. 9. Or holding down that ball, rescue. You're doing a good job defending it.
Far right side.
Okay, so we're not
Oh, that kid did a matrix dive. I gotta remember that kid and give him a high five. That was cool. He's just standing there, menacingly. Never mind, he's dead. Hey, ref. Maybe we should fall back.
Okay then. You get to join the other team.
Okay. Somebody swap my armband, please. Thanks.
Yep.
Yeah, my bad about that throw. Crossing, crossing. Where's right here? Check your shoe! Yes, you! Thank you! Friendly, friendly! Not friendly. Window straight across from here.
Yeah, oh shit, there's another one, there's another one.
Yep.
They're in like in that window. Those
Ow! Yep. Hey, can you watch deep right at that tan doorway down to their spawn? This doorway right here. Take it, take it. Check your shoe! Or don't! It's optional, I guess. Hey, you've got one. Please look at your shoe! The shoe that has been shot! Thank you! Keep working that side.
Grab it. Pretty strong across the floor. Still, which means nobody's earning or losing points. On the butcher shop, right next to the flag. Somebody just needs to make a run for it. Take it, throw it, run with it, walk with it.
Yep. Good trade, man. I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
Excellent throw by someone on blue team. It's now back to the neutral area, right next to the gazebo.
Okay.
By the garage area, if anyone's wondering.
Dudes, where's the football?
It's right there. I see it.
It should be by the garage.
This doorway?
No. To the left, in the middle.
Oh, I see. Come on, dude.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, good throw, good throw. Dude,
Oh my god. I will stop going to
yeah, we're starting.
Okay.
Go do great things. Are you seeing this camera guy? It's about to get serious. Hey, I'm taking this corner, I'm taking this corner.
Now it's by the big building. Available for
Where'd it go?
red team to go.
Where's the ball?
It's just in front of that pink building right there, red team. Unfortunately,
I see it.
it's not in front of the doorway.
Two down, two down. Two pushing left, two pushing left.
Excellent throw by the red team. Pushing that ball all the way back in front of the
What? What the
round building of blue team. Very nice work. You kick the ball back. It looks like it's sitting just in front of
Oh, damn it. Good push.
You scared the crap out of me.
That's why it suddenly got harder.
Yeah.